Hi everyone, you are welcome to my channel. This is a detailed video for you to do your Tapswap mining. Please pay attention to all the circled places and where the arrows are pointing because it's very important. Click on the link, click start. If it opens, click on join community, start now. Also Tapswap community, Tapswap on X and Tapswap website, visit them. Join the Telegram community. Go to Twitter, follow them on Twitter. Come back and tap play. If it opens, you can use one of your finger. Click on tab. You can use one of your finger or more. Click on multi-tab and energy limits. Increase them. Then go to task, go to league, claim the bonus, the league. Go to task again, follow all their Twitter handle, the joining the community and visiting their website. By the time you are done doing that, you will click on check for them to verify if you have actually followed them or not, and it will count in seconds. If it is done counting, visit this is their website. You join from the Telegram if the website opens. Click on check. They have verified that you have done the task. Now click on finish mission. Go back to boosts, activate your tap bots with the 200,000 that you just got. Also activate your multi-tap, activate your tap guru and tap as fast as you can, because if you have been typing 22 on your screen, it will now start going 20 or 30 depending the number you are doing. Then go back again, activate the tab guru. This tab guru shows every day. It's the free daily booster that Tapswap gives, so you have to make good use of it. Here I am typing with more than 3 of my fingers. That's why you see it going up like this. Don't just tap with one of your fingers. Also, after that, the money you make from there or the Tapswap you make from there, use it and activate. Use it and increase your multi-tap and energy limits. Okay, that's another league that has just been entered. Went there to claim it. Always make sure that you play your tap guru and full tank every day, because it is one of the best way to help you and mind. Remember, don't always use the money you make to keep increasing your multi-tab, but if you are very fast in typing, you will surely be able to tap something meaningful before the end of this project that is coming soon. So I believe with this video it will be manageable enough to guide you through Tapswap. If there is any question, drop your questions in the comment section. and I will attend to it. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.